Cardiac.
Johnson deployed.
Coliseum polymer. What? Who wants that? Nobody wants that. Green, it's a green. Why are greens in Bravo packs? I don't know.
You know that shit is pink.
Bro, why are greens in Bravo packs?
I actually have no idea, Chad. Oh my god, epic.
I like titties. I can sense a disturbance in my
Johnson juice.
It's quivering. This is gonna be a purple. Fuck me. If this is Jaeger Black Eyes,
I'll make an OF.
Damn! Damn!
Morado.
este sabor para mí, amigo.
Jaeger Black Eyes.
On the main account. Right here, right now. Should I click it? Verk! What?